And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your old Instagram account without any password, email, phone number and username. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make things clear, it is basically not possible to delete an old Instagram account without any excess information like your password, email, phone number or username. Instagram requires you to be able to log in into your request deletion for security reasons. So these are a must to delete your old Instagram account. So keeping this aside, all you can do is simply go and tap on the help button of your Instagram. So once you're in your profile, you can tap on the three dots, and once you go there, you can simply tap on the option called help. So once you're in this help option, you can simply support request. So once you support the request or do report a problem kind of stuff, you can actually have a conversation with the assist team of Instagram who will allow you to execute this kind of problem solution. So the only way to do so is getting your hands on Instagram support and explaining them about your issue, and they can find you some way to delete your old Instagram account without having all the credentials. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.